So hello guys, if you are thinking to invest in DOT, so it's a very good chance. You can see that this is a weekly chart of Polkadot in 1 week, and you will see that the price is around it here. And if it's break around 12 in 11.5, it will go way further. It has a very good chance to go up. You can see that it's down for a very long time, and it's a very good opportunity. If you want to take a chance, you can take. And I think in upcoming bull rally, the price may go up, and you can double your money. So this is a very good chance on Polkadot, and Polkadot is also a very good project. So if you want to invest, you can invest. You can weekly chart, and if it start going upside, it will definitely go up, and it's around $4. So it's a good opportunity, and you may think about it.